we're launching a whole new category of home appliances that are intuitive, intelligent, and enrich family life in ways never seen before. For example, we're adding IoT capabilities to our range line, including remote monitoring and control. So now you can preheat the oven on your way home from work, or if you've left the house in a hurry, you can see if the oven or burners are still on using your smartphone. If the kitchen is the center of the home, the refrigerator is the centerpiece of the kitchen. Historically, the refrigerator has been a showcase for photographs, artwork, and reminders. But with stainless steel finishes, much of that functionality disappeared, leaving the refrigerator to serve simply as a place to keep our food fresh. Well, we're about to change the game. I'm pleased to introduce to you the Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. We're excited. The Family Hub refrigerator is a true home appliance revolution. It allows you to communicate with family members, manage and prepare food, and enjoy entertainment. Let's talk about family communication first. With the 21.5-inch touchscreen, you can leave notes, post photos, share calendars and artwork, whether you're at home or on the go. You can deliver a message to the Family Hub from your Samsung smartphone. You can send a reminder to do homework or share a photo via Instagram. The possibilities are incredible. Now, let's talk about a new way to plan, shop, and manage groceries. How many times have you gone to the grocery store and forgotten to buy an important item or bought something you already have? It happens to us all. Now imagine being at the grocery store and using your smartphone to look inside your fridge. The Family Hub has built-in cameras that take a photo of the inside of the refrigerator every time you close the door. You can always see what you have wherever you go. And it gets even better. In partnership with MasterCard, the Family Hub offers a new, seamless, more convenient grocery shopping experience. To explain how it works, please welcome Betty DeVita, Chief Commercial Officer of MasterCard Labs.
Thanks very much, John.
Welcome.
We are so excited to launch Groceries by MasterCard with Samsung's Family Hub. I've been testing this innovation in my home for a few weeks, and it's made me realize how incredibly connected we all are. Groceries by MasterCard is the first shopping app integrated into a refrigerator, connecting consumers to stores straight from their kitchen. At launch, we will have access to online shopping at FreshDirect and ShopRite, and we will expand with the help of partners like MyWebGrocer, which will give us access to thousands of grocers in the US and internationally. Now you can access the app from your smartphone, tablet, or from the Family Hub screen, and have groceries delivered to your door, making online shopping even more convenient. Consumers can also move back and forth between grocery aisles using our virtual aisle hopping technology. Then, everything is paid for in one simple checkout that accepts all US-based credit or debit cards. But we'd really like you to use your MasterCard. There's also a companion mobile app that allows consumers to order groceries on the go. As MasterCard extends beyond the payment, we are eliminating the boundaries between how we shop and how we pay, and we are sure that consumers will love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here. Now let's talk about how the Family Hub refrigerator leverages the power of smart things. When it's time for bed, you can check the doors and turn off the lights right from the Family Hub screen. And this is just the beginning of the journey to integrate home automation and control into the centerpiece of the kitchen. Finally, let's talk entertainment. With today's open floor plans, families and guests move freely between the great room and the kitchen. Family Hub is a perfect companion to complement your total entertainment experience. You can stream your favorite music service or content directly from your Samsung TV. Family Hub will be available at all leading retailers this spring. Last year, we promised to harness the power of IoT and transform home appliances from functional to dynamic products that enrich our customers' lives. We have delivered on that promise. Because these products are connected, our customers will benefit from regular updates that offer new functions and capabilities, a truly new direction for home appliances. This is a new category that reflects and anticipates customers' evolving needs and expectations. We believe this is the real meaning of innovation that matters. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the press conference.